Hey friends, I just wanted to jump on real quick and show you how to use your new Chalk It Up brushes. It's a set of 3 brushes made to look like a chalkboard so that you can do chalk art on your Procreate app. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to come over here to my color palette in the upper right hand, my color picker. And I go down here to value, and under hexadecimal right here, enter the code 2A, 2A, 2A. Done. Grab your color from the color picker and drop it into your canvas. And then let's add a new layer right here. And we're going to get the Chalk It Up eraser marks pen, and this is made to look like you know how when change your color to white. Remember when you were a kid and you were in school and someone had just erased the chalkboard, and you could still see marks of from the eraser on the board, but the content was erased. So you're going to put something like that on, and you're just going to play with it until it looks the way you want it to. You can adjust the opacity of this. If it's too dark, come over here to Layers, N, and take the opacity down until it looks just kind of chalky. Okay, and then we're going to add another layer. Go back to our pencils, and we're going to get the chalk dust pen. Remember, did you ever like hit your erasers together and it would create this like poof, this cloud of chalk, and then you could hit it on the chalkboard and it would create little dust marks? Well, you can do that too by using this little, just hit it every once in a while, and you can adjust the size over here or your opacity over here. Okay. I want one big down here, but I don't want it real dark. Okay, so then when you get that the way you want it, go ahead and create a new layer. Get your Chalk It Up brush pen, and you can begin creating. You can do chalkboard art, you can do back to school art. Just pick colors and start being creative. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make some chalkboard art here. Can you see the texture kind of looks chalky? I really don't have a plan here. I'm just kind of playing. Usually when I don't have a plan, whatever I'm making does not turn out well. If I don't have a picture in my head, it's usually a bomb. We'll see. You can also do a search on Pinterest for chalkboard art. I bet you could find some really cool designs on there and get some ideas. this brush is pressure sensitive, so you can do thick downstrokes and thin upstrokes. Okay, y'all, that's how you use the Chalk It Up brush set. Have fun with it, and please show me what you make.